Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to get Skrill virtual card. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Skrill application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Skrill if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top side of the screen we have the add, transfer and exchange. And in the bottom side of the screen, we have 5 tabs, which are the home, card, crypto, sports, and in the bottom right corner, the rewards tab. But now guys, let's see how you can actually get Skrill virtual card. So open the Skrill app and log into your account, and then navigate to the Skrill card section. After going there, choose the virtual card option out of all of these options. Then select the currency for your virtual card. Then click on Add Card to generate your virtual card. And once created, you can view your card details, including the 16-digit card number, CVV, and expiry date. You can now use your Skrill virtual card for online payments whenever it is accepted. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.